Somebody's going snowmobiling or getting ready for it. Man, I wish I had parents like that. It gave me a snowmobile when I was a little kid. That's pretty cool. That's a little snowmobile. That's like a little dinky one. I don't even think I've ever seen one sold like that. That's pretty cool. Alright, so out here in the Midwest, we got dumped with snow for the last 2 days. So now other people are out going snowmobiling. It's finally enough snow for them to go do that. And I'm just trying to leave the state. I want to go somewhere warm. And I am taking a trip out to Myrtle Beach in the next couple of days to go scout out some homes, business locations. My Gucci Gavin is going to look at Coastal Carolina University. He's transferring from Elmhurst to Coastal Carolina. And yes, we're all taking a trip out there. Next couple of days, I'm leaving this cold weather. I think it's supposed to be like 60 something degrees when I'm out there. Oh, it's much better than this. It's like 18 degrees out right now. Tons of snow. So anyways, let's get this video going. I'm in the Jeep SRT. This is the one day where I go to Bursa Farm to work. I may plug a little merch on there, talk about what's going on. There's some big news there. There's some other big news on electronics I'm going to get to a little later in the video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, I am Beowulf. I am Beowulf. I make videos with kind of my lifestyle, what's going on with my cars, my guns, adventure lifestyle, and sit back and enjoy. And let's get this video going. Stay tuned to some of the future videos coming out this week too. It's gonna be pretty lit. Alright guys, so I'm here at work, getting ready to leave soon. Just want to talk about the whole video is kind of about. But first thing I want to talk about too is you guys haven't been to my online store I have is bursafarm.com. Links in the bottom. And we sell all cosmetic, beauty care products. It's for men, women, kids. You could even use it on your dog or your cat. And we got goat milk soap and we got goat milk lotions and stuff, all different things. Make sure you guys take a look at it. But the cool new thing we did is we have free shipping. If you spend over $25 and up, you get free shipping. And we just released that today, and we're going to keep going at that. So it's a really good deal. Valentine's Day is coming up, or just a daily use. It's really good because when you get dried out skin and whatnot, you're getting actually a chemical burn from what you're using. Yeah, I'm teaching you guys something today. And our goat milk soap and our lotions and stuff will help that from you having not dried out skin. And when you're getting dried out skin, it's actually a chemical burn that you're getting from what you're using with. So if you're using body wash, shampoo, conditioner, you can use the stuff on your hair. And make sure you guys take a look. Try a bar out. You got nothing to lose. You could, spend like 15 bucks, get some nice stuff, 8, 10, 20 bucks. You really see a difference, and I'm not kidding. You should try it. You're missing out if you don't do it. So try it out. Let me know what you think, because you guys will look really good, and you look younger. That's the cool thing is that goat milk, it gets rid of your dead cells, rejuvenates with new cells, so it'll keep you looking younger. So the people are getting older, they always want to look younger. The people are younger, they always want to look older. But I'll tell you, if you're younger, you always want to look old. Or if you're younger, you don't want to look older, you want to look younger. Trust me. And here I got a little write-up. Showed you guys all the benefits. But it's cool, and there's info on the website and whatnot. So anyways, point in the whole video, what I'm good about. And I'll play the video for you guys to see.
What are we? We are but billions of atoms and molecules buzzing together in harmony. And yet, from the seemingly insignificant size comes formidable strength and power. We are all struck from the same elements, from something so small, the beginnings of something truly mighty. The question is, are we ready for what's to come?
But DJI has a press release. It's on the 23rd. They got something new coming out. And you know, they had the big show where they showed like the Ronin S coming out. Now, if you guys saw past videos, I got a Ronin M. And the thing, I never even got to shoot anything with it. The motor broke on it. It just like, it had problems from day one. And plus it took 2 operators to use it. And I got this like remote thing where I could operate by myself. And then the thing wouldn't work with that. And then I got to work and then it just like started blowing up and it stopped working. And luckily where I got it from, they took back everything. Cause I bought like a case and all this like accessories. And luckily they took it back. And I was just like, what a waste of money. And it's hard to believe that because I've had DJI stuff for a long time. I had the Phantom 3 Pro, I had Inspire 1, that had like the FLIR infrared camera on it. It was like a whole like $25,000 setup drone that we used. I had a Phantom 4 Pro, I got a Mavic, and I got like an Osmo Mobile, and I had an Osmo Pro, and I got the Osmo. I've had a lot of DJI stuff, so, and I've never had an issue with anything except for the Ronin M. It was a piece of junk. Now I don't know if I get the Ronin S, but they got a press release. They got something new coming out. Now I've seen spy footage. They got like some Phantom 5 coming out that like has retractable landing gear, and you can throw it up in the air, and the thing will start flying. I think that's what it's gonna be. We'll have to all wait and see. But from the photos, they don't really show much. But I don't think it's my brother, Gucci Gavin, thinks it's gonna be another newer Mavic. I don't think so. I think it's gonna be the Phantom 5 retractable landing gear. Let's just wait and see. But that's what I kind of saw, like concept stuff or people testing something. That's what I think it is. I was shocked because I knew there was talk of a new drone. And I was shocked they didn't have it at the show, because that would have been, but usually DJI doesn't do releases at shows. They do their big old press events. They wouldn't release it. It's kind of their day. And I kind of figured they wouldn't show something until it's one of their official days. And it's not a new Inspire, because last year, around this time is when they had their last press release with a new Inspire. So let's just see what happens. But I'll play the clip, take a look at it. Guys, tell me what your thoughts are. What do you think DJI is coming out with?
What are we? We are but billions of atoms and molecules buzzing together in harmony. And yet, from the seemingly insignificant size comes formidable strength and power. We are all struck from the same elements, from something so small, the beginnings of something truly mighty. The question is, are we ready for what's to come?
It's something we haven't seen yet, so people don't think it's something you already seen. It's something new, and they didn't have it at a show, because otherwise they wouldn't have a press event. So, time for me, I gotta go, doesn't look like it, but I gotta get a haircut. I fly out in 2 days to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. I had a jacket I bought. I'll put in the clip before the video ends. Got this jacket, it's like some bomber jacket. That was supposed to come to my house and they didn't leave it, and I gotta go to FedEx to go pick it up. So that's where I'm going first. I'm gonna go get a haircut, and I'm gonna go home, let the dogs out, and then I'll finish up the rest of the video, and then we'll get hooking up for the next video for tomorrow. So, let's get rolling. Time to go.
Time to go move, man.
Alright, so I got my hair cut, and I got my new jacket I was talking about. It's like it's a bomber jacket. It's hard to tell. Let's see, can you guys come on? It's looking silly. No, I think it's like you wear it. Yeah, it's like a bomber jacket. It's based off the Tom Hardy character in Dunkirk. That's what the jacket's supposed to be. Look, it got the sleeves. It's like nice. Look, even Cash is just like, or Pike get in it, he goes, go! Woo! Got the dogs. Excited for me to be home. No, but I collect, like, well, I don't collect. I like wearing like movie style jackets. Winter jackets, cold jackets. Jackets keep me warm. Like I got, look at this. Alright, so this is like the one supposed to be like the Bane jacket. You guys have probably seen me wearing in other videos. And then this one is Gosling's character. I think that's what he says last name. In Blade Runner 2049. That's a nice jacket. These are kind of like I don't want to say trench coat jackets. They're a little bit, but this one's nice because it's like, I don't know if you guys can see. See, it has a shirtling down at the bottom too. I don't know, it's just a nice jacket. And yeah, so I'm here with my dogs. I got little Pikey. I got Cash. He's already tired out. I told you, every video, Cash is always sleeping. He was just playing. Before I brought the camera out, he was like running around playing with me. As soon as I bring out the camera, he's just like, oh, I'm ready to go to bed. And then obviously, the big kahuna in the house, giant Leo. It's like the size of owning a wolf. Hey, Leo, right here. As big as a wolf. He's like a 120-pound German Shepherd. That's pretty big. It's not an average size. But anyways, gotta edit videos. Gotta go work out, gotta go lift the weights. And this is the end of the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share, tell your friends. Yo, Beowulf's doing big things. And we're doing big things in the next couple of videos. Going out to Myrtle Beach for, hang on, not 3, 4 days, Myrtle Beach. It's gonna be like 60 degrees. We're gonna have a lot of fun. These dogs are gonna miss me, I'm gonna miss them. And that's the end of the video. See you in the next one. And remember, like always, when I tell you people to always remember, I am Beowulf!